Hey guys, welcome back to another Unity tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to create a grass material that you can assign to objects and make them look like they're made of glass. So the first thing you're going to have to do is you're going to have to create a 3D object, like cube. This is going to be the piece of grass we're going to use in the beginning. So let's make it thin, like a piece of glass. Very thin, like this. Let's change it maybe like bigger, just make sure it's thin. Then all I have to do is rename it to glass, then right click, create material, and call it glass. Then you're going to change the surface type to transparent, from opaque to transparent. Then you're going to change the base map color to black, and then you're going to drag the glass material on the cube. But as you see, it's still not really glass-like. So to fix that, all I have to do is go into base map color and change the transparency. As you see now, it is more glass-like. Here we go. This is a piece of glass. Now, to make it more like glossiness, we can remove the smoothness. Here you go. Or we can make it more, which makes it even more like smoothness. Maybe add a metallic, or maybe add a coat mask. But you can edit those how you want it. Then you can also change the color of the glass. You can change instead of black, let's say we want a purple glass, like we can do this, and it's look transparent, looking like a glass, and or we can make it white, and then we can change transparency like this. This looks also very cool. Okay, this is how to create glass. So I like this black color, it looks more like glass-like. And then we also have this monkey from that I import from Blender. All I have to do is we can assign the material onto the monkey, and see, it looks like it's made from glass. Here we go. And another cool effect I would actually like to add is if you duplicate the monkey, then drag it as a child of the monkey, then change the scale on the X, Y, and Z to 0.85 on all the axes on the scale, and now it looks like a bit double, which also looks quite cool. Or you want the distance to be a bit, you can just do 95 like this. Now it looks a bit blurry and glossy at the same time, which also is cool, but without that, this is the standard glossy monkey material. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please stay tuned for other videos like this. And as always, please like and subscribe for future content as helpful as this. And also, please join my Discord server. We have like about 120 members, so it would be super helpful if you could join it, and then you could talk with them. The server is very active, so you could ask for feedback, ask questions, and all that. So like, why not join it? So this is the glossiness tutorial. Thanks so much for watching this video again, and I hope you enjoyed it. And I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.